Best regard. My name is Angelica Salgado, student the Introduction and Linguistics. The day from today, then I will present the exercise, the nature from the language and his language. What is dialect? In linguistics, the word dialect refers to one of the possible varieties of the language. The term dialect is frequently used to refer to a geographical variety of the language associated with a certain area. Each student will send one example about dialect according to the Colombia context. Example: Coastal Spanish, which is the sort of dialect that is part of the Caribbean varieties of the Spanish language that are spoken in the Colombia Caribbean coast. The dialect is used in the region comprised by the departments of the La Guajira, Magdalena, Atlántico, Sucre, Córdoba, Bolivia, in addition from the Urabá area.